Hello and welcome back to Coin Lady channel. Here, we will quickly go over some of the most important distinctions between Ripple and the other two major digital currencies, Bitcoin and Ethereum. Is there a better option than banks, and why do banks like XRP so much? If this is something that interests you, I highly recommend watching this brand new video right now. A single, consolidated Ripple. Consensus: a ledger is an organized book of financial records used for many purposes. Here are some key details about the XRP cryptocurrency developed by Ripple Labs. The XRP token is the voted-on decision of the Ripple community. Ledger's native RCL token is limited to 100 billion total. There will be no further issuance of XRP. Every time a transaction is processed, the number of XRP in circulation decreases. 80% of XRP is hidden from the public and held in escrow. Ripple is a banking-specific system that operates on the principle of a trust line consensus. You can think of a trust line as the dollar amount to which you are willing to entrust another person. Your bank account funds are a good example of IOU tokens. Furthermore, you now have what amounts to a trust line of at least that sum, which can be drawn on by the bank. Trust lines are a measure of how much money a customer is willing to deposit in a bank. You wouldn't be able to keep more than that amount in your bank account if it were extended to you. When compared to SWIFT, the Society for Worldwide Interbank Financial Telecommunication, the Ripple team claims that using XRP for international bank transfers instead of wiring will save banks billions of dollars annually. Banks, or third-party market makers acting on their behalf, can pool their liquidity for international payments into a single XRP account held on their own balance sheets, eliminating the need to hold local currency in nostro accounts around the world. Because of this central pool of XRP, responding banks can service the same number of cross-border payments with a smaller overall allocation of liquidity. Instead of opening and maintaining a large number of expensive nostro accounts in different countries, all they need is one XRP account and a place to store their domestic currency. They can meet their largest anticipated payment obligations with just one XRP on hand, freeing up cash that was previously stuck in nostro accounts around the world. With XRP, financial institutions can make instantaneous markets in their native currencies in order to gain access to foreign currency liquidity. Banks attempt to reduce the number of middlemen in their spread markup. Therefore, responding banks using Ripple with XRP as a bridge currency can save up to 42% on costs right now, and up to 60% as XRP gains usage and volatility decreases. To increase XRP market depth and dampen its volatility, Ripple is launching an incentive program that will algorithmically rebate market makers for providing liquidity in XRP. Because Ripple is hoarding so much of its XRP token, the company's reported market cap is inflated. There is a lack of authenticity in the limited supply. This whole thing is made up. Because of this, demand has risen, driving up prices and swelling the market cap. This is a lot of information to take in at once, but bear with me, I will elaborate. Numerous new digital currencies have entered circulation since Bitcoin's introduction in 2009. In the crypto market, purchasers can choose from a wide variety of digital currencies. Many cryptocurrencies have either faded into obscurity or become useful only for specialized purposes, but there are still a handful that can be considered serious competitors to Bitcoin on the trading market. Several financial and industrial ecosystems are beginning to include the leading cryptocurrencies as regular participants. Most of the major cryptocurrencies are now tradable on a wide variety of global exchanges, and some have even made it into the traditional banking systems of specific nations. These digital currencies, including Bitcoin, are inching closer to acceptance by the general public. One of these well-known cryptocurrencies, XRP from Ripple, has been gaining popularity over the past few years. XRP Ledger, a groundbreaking blockchain platform, is powered by the cryptocurrency. Its price spiked at the end of 2017 and has since stabilized. For some time now, Ripple has been the engine that drives the financial institution's payment infrastructure. The goal of the developers was to make a business-friendly blockchain solution with the same security as Bitcoin's but fewer drawbacks. They aimed to devise a system whereby cross-border RPGs could be made in an open, cheap, and quick manner. In order to facilitate such speedy monetary transactions, they created the Ripple Transaction Protocol. The founders of Ripple don't want to shake things up in the banking industry, they want to make it better. As a result, financial institutions can rely more on Ripple to meet their transaction needs. Before Xfire, the company also offered the X-Rapid platform for processing XRP-based payments. At some point, all of these networks converged into what is now known as the company's primary network, RippleNet. Ripple's RippleNet facilitates transparent, low-friction XRP transactions for the world's largest banks and financial institutions. I have a quick story about DexPool to share with you before I go any further. A market maker is a type of liquidity provider that generates its own funds. It's similar to borrowing cryptocurrency from someone. A decentralized trading platform for cryptocurrencies. In exchange, you gain access to the platform's trading fees, which many people view as a passive source of income. Additionally, if you use the term DEX is shorthand for automatic compounding, and it describes a protocol for managing assets on the blockchain that uses optimization methods and data analytics to automatically combine rewards and maximize the compound interest rate. For maximum AP, these protocols typically reinvest once daily in user returns or participation. To be clear, anyone can provide funds for decentralized platforms like these. Change it up with some sushi swapping, and so on via the pool of dice. There is a wide range of advantages to investing for the long term. First, while your cryptocurrency is in staking, you will earn rewards. Then, DexPool has a welcome special sign-up bonus, which you can claim if you use the link provided in the video description, and it's all thanks to the fact that decentralized platforms based on blockchains coordinate cryptoasset trading on a large scale and among many users, and do so entirely through automated algorithms. One can earn up to 100 XRP with this bonus. It's a cash bonus good for 10 days use. There are only so many of these to go round. This bonus is yours to claim when you put money into your account. Explain XRP. The XRP token, a form of cryptocurrency, is the medium of exchange on the Ripple network. The X-Rapid, where it was first used as a currency token, is where the term X-Rapid first appeared. The entire supply of XRP, 100 billion coins, was pre-mined, and about 45 billion XRP are locked away in an escrow account controlled by Ripple. Users all over the world now have access to the remaining 55 billion XRP. XRP, like other cryptocurrencies, has a smaller unit of currency. One drop is equal to 1/1,000,000th of 1 XRP, the currency's base unit. Pre-mining ensures a fixed total supply of the currency. There is a cap on the amount of XRP that can be created. The total amount of XRP in circulation can be easily confirmed by any holder. Tokens can be mined without requiring proof of work if they have already been pre-mined. The advantages of the Ripple blockchain can be attributed to the fact that it is powered by proof of consensus algorithms. Since there is no need for token mining in the Ripple network, it was built from the ground up to be more efficient than the original Bitcoin network. Validator nodes confirm and add XRP transactions to the blockchain after they have been verified. The following are a few arguments in favor of using Ripple XRP on a blockchain system. Super fast. The Bitcoin network's sluggish transaction times are a major drawback. This is why many people shy away from using Bitcoin. Longer than usual wait times for completing transactions are another potential downside of blockchain integration. XRP deals can be made in a flash. In 3-5 seconds, the ledger finishes processing a transaction. Compared to the typical transaction, that's lightning fast. Trade confirmations for Bitcoin can take upwards of 20 minutes on busy days. Cheap dealings. Drops are used as a unit of accounting in the Ripple blockchain. That's why exchanging XRP is so cheap, it has very low transaction fees. Scalability: as many as 1,500 transactions can be processed in a single second using Ripple. That's very close to the rate at which common payment processors like Visa can handle transactions, which is 1,700 per second. This makes it a viable option for fintech companies seeking an alternative to legacy payment networks like Visa and Swift that can handle high volumes of transactions reliably and efficiently. In contrast, traditional blockchains are a bottleneck for financial operations due to their low throughput of transactions. RippleNet's global network of 150 validators ensures XRP high availability because it is a distributed ledger platform. Top-tier financial institutions all over the world trust the network's reliability and high uptime. There is a growing trend among businesses to reduce energy consumption in order to lower carbon footprints, and low power consumption companies are becoming increasingly aware of sustainability. Since mining XRP requires zero computational resources, it is increasingly being mandated in jurisdictions where sustainability compliance is important. Since nodes only need to check and possibly approve blockchain transactions, they can run efficiently. This means that the Ripple network uses significantly less energy than Bitcoin's or any other traditional blockchain network. To get to today's most pressing issue, so why do financial institutions use XRP? The banking and fintech industries are natural fits for Ripple XRP's strengths. I'll explain why this particular blockchain has become so popular among financial institutions for international transactions. In addition to its rapid transaction processing, Ripple XRP also enables instantaneous cross-border fund transfers between banks. This makes it straightforward for global banking institutions to develop infrastructures to ease cross-border commerce. RippleNet already includes a large number of international banks. Is your bank one of them? Traders at work have access to multiple other financial institutions. Due to its secure and stable backend, XRP allows participating banks to provide their customers with access to the market. Banks have been taking precautions to protect their customers' financial data from hackers as they become more aware of the risks. For financial institutions, the cryptographic operations at the heart of blockchain solutions means a very high level of data security. Because of its decentralized nature, system downtime is minimized. Ripple is a reliable back-end operational framework for banks due to its scalability and low transaction costs. Management of liquidity. Ripple's large capitalization in the market. Its global use and sixth-place market cap of over $17 billion make it a reliable token for exchanging for fiat currencies like the US dollar. Consequently, banks can keep their XRP reserves and quickly convert them into US dollars, local currencies, and its industrial synergies. Like we said before, Ripple's initial focus was on getting financial institutions to adopt the XRP blockchain. They are working with many international banking experts to enhance the platform, and there is a growing network of developers maintaining the underlying XRP technology. Companies and governments that want to require SDG compliance in the financial sector will benefit greatly from XRP because of the platform's well-deserved reputation for being environmentally friendly. There are many obstacles to implementing blockchain technology in international banking, but XRP has established itself as a frontrunner. The blockchain has numerous applications, and many financial institutions are beginning to adopt it for its many practical advantages. It is reasonable to anticipate that Ripple XRP will grow into new markets in the years to come. This video has now concluded. Hey dudes, if you liked the video, I'd really appreciate it if you could give it a thumbs up. Subscribe and enable notification. See you in the next one. Bye.